In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch MSN quickly and easily so you can find video stories, short clips, and media updates right inside the MSN homepage. This is a simple walkthrough, whether you want news, sports, entertainment, or trending video content all in one place. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official MSN website. You can type MSN into the search bar or go directly to the homepage if you already know the address. Once the page loads, you'll see the main MSN layout with articles, section cards, and featured stories across different categories. MSN is designed to surface a mix of written content and video content, so the homepage is the best place to start. Now that you're on the homepage, begin scrolling through the feed. As you move down the page, look for articles that have video badges, thumbnail previews, or play icons. These usually indicate that the story includes a video, clip, or media segment. You may also notice dedicated video cards placed inside sections like news, sports, business, lifestyle, or entertainment. These video cards are often easier to spot because they stand out from regular article tiles. If you want to narrow things down, pay attention to the sections that interest you most. For example, the news section may feature short updates, the sports section may include highlights, and the entertainment section may show celebrity clips or trending stories. MSN often embeds short-form media directly into the page, so you do not always need to search far to find something playing. Once you find a video card or a video article you want to watch, simply click on it. This will open the MSN Player and begin loading the content. In many cases, short-form news updates and media loops will stream automatically as soon as the player opens. If the video does not start right away, look for the play button in the center of the video window and click it to begin playback. From there, you can watch the content just like any other online video. You can pause it, resume it, and continue browsing other MSN stories whenever you like. If you want to keep exploring, go back to the homepage or scroll further down the feed to find more video cards and embedded clips. That's really all there is to it. Watching MSN is easy once you know where to look. Open the homepage, scroll through the feed, spot the video badges or video cards, and click to play in the MSN Player. It only takes a few moments, and you can stay updated with the latest media content across news and entertainment. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.